Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox and set up the Seagate 16 terabyte expansion memory. I'm going to take this wrapping off so we can see things a little better. And again, it is the Seagate expansion desktop drive. It does come with Rescue data recovery service. I'll probably not use that because I'm going to be using this for just putting videos on it and video clips and those kind of things. On the one side here, it does have connect with computer. Yeah, okay. And on the back, in multiple different languages, it says add-on storage for your PC and Mac. Alrighty. And it also says over here, compatible with Windows and Mac, but in my case, Windows. Oh, it does say compatible with most Windows and Mac OS systems. I hope it's compatible with mine. Otherwise, this is gonna be a big waste of time. On the top, it does say it has a 1-year warranty. Details available at seagate.com/retail warranty. Now the warranty is a little longer in other countries, but in the United States it is 1 year. Open that up. It's in there pretty good. Packaged well. Set that off to the side. He's good. Okay, now in this box, we have, it does have a specialized cable end here. And you have your standard USB cable here. You got out of the way, good. Ta-da! It looks like this is an international product because you do have a power supply. This slides off. It's a cover. And then you get to choose which end you want to use. So what I was told is with these in America, you have ones with holes in them and one without holes in them. And for some reason, I was told to use the ones with the holes in them. There's an arrow right here. You have to put it halfway in, and you see these little grooves. You put it halfway in, then you get to push forward. Cable and power supply. Now, okay, open this thing up. Huh, that's actually not as big as what I feared. That'll be nice. Just kind of sit there, or I have a sit down. I'm not quite exactly sure how I'm going to do it. And then there's the inputs here. Plug that in there. And so this just plugs right into the computer. Then it's power supply. You just plug in there, and then you plug this into the wall outlet, or better yet, into a UPS, an uninterruptible power supply. I just got one of those. Go ahead and take a look down in the description below, and hopefully that'll work. And let's see. Okay, there's English for use for both PC and Mac. And it does have FCC clearance of conformance. I guess that's good. Let's see if this thing works on Windows 11 Pro. Yeah, that was pretty much useless. Alrighty, let's go and plug this into the uninterruptible power supply. Then we just simply take the power supply, plug it in, turn on the computer. We plug the 3.0 cable into a 3.0 open port. That could be any open port, really. It powers on. You can hear it. Let's see if it's red. There it is. So we do have start here for Windows, start here for Mac. I don't know what it means to start here, but let's see. Oh, want you to register it. Okay, we'll go ahead and do that. We're going to do that offline. Okay, I hit enter after pushing that in, and it says successfully registered your drive. I'm going to go ahead and put my ResslerMania stuff into that drive, and of course mark it up as, you know, ResslerMania, and I'll show you how it goes. I did read online that sometimes if this thing gets about 70% full, it slows down. Well, number one, it's going to be a long time before I get 16 terabytes full of video. However, in my case, I load it into my editor and I edit from there anyway. So don't really care if it's instantaneous or not. Okay, as you see here, I did decide to go ahead and reformat into the NTFS file system to match my other hard drives. And that should make things a lot simpler and a lot more efficient. At least I'm hoping. Okay, so now we're going to take everything from the old file that is pretty much filled up. All right, so it's going to take about 13 hours to transfer, although that's only the initial guesstimate. It's not going to take that long. Okay, everything got transferred over. Everything looks good. Again, I reformatted NTSC, and I'm just going to check it for errors. Scan drive. And normally it takes a few minutes. Okay, scanning was done. It says your drive was successfully scanned. Windows successfully scanned the drive and no errors were found. Alrighty. So there you have it. The 16 terabyte drive. I did have to reformat it to make it work a little more smoothly, but it works. No errors found, and I think it's going to work well. Awesome. And have a great day.